Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make Shelly's potato salad. That's right. So we are going to make potato salad, and my potato salad is a little different. Of course, we're always trying to twist and do something different. So first we're going to cut up the potatoes, then we're going to boil them on the stove, and we need them to cool before we can mix the potato salad. So I'm going to show you how to cut up these potatoes, and also we are leaving the skin on. Just bear in mind, these are red potatoes or bliss potatoes, and so we leave the skin on for the red potatoes, but normally we don't leave it on the other types of potatoes. Okay, so first thing, cut both ends. And when you're making potato salad, you want your skin that you have to look good. So if there's anything that just looks like a blemish or something that might not be nice, we need some of the skin on, but we're just going to get rid of the things that we feel don't look as pretty, you know, and we don't want, you know, to have anything that's just not pretty. We want nice skin. Sometimes you buy your potatoes and they don't have a mark on them, so we're pretty good. Okay, we're going to cut in half, turn it over, it's easier. Okay, so we've got it in 4, and now these are the size chunks that we want. You don't want to make potato salad where the potatoes are too small, because when they boil, that might not be good, and your potato salad being too small. Okay, there we go again, and now we have our potatoes. So there's our potatoes, and now we're going to boil these potatoes on the stove. I'm not giving you the immediate details as I mix the potato salad of I'll tell you what the ingredients are, but I'm not going to give you the measurements. You can visit our website for the measurements. All right. Okay, so we're going to put our salt in our water. Okay. And then we are going to put our potatoes. Guess I didn't do that right. Okay, so we're going to leave that to boil. It should probably take about 20 minutes, and we'll mix after that. Okay, now we're back, and it's time to put our potato salad together, and we are going to make the mixture first. So I will give the detail of how much and the ingredients on my website, shellyscuisine.com. For purposes of just doing this quickly, I'm just going to pour. So of course, we use ranch dressing, and we need about half of ranch dressing, half of mayonnaise. I happen to like to use Hellmann's mayonnaise, and so that's what I'm using. I like Hellmann's Light. To be honest, it really tastes good. You don't really need the full strength. All right, so a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Again, I like to make things with apple cider vinegar, and this is an example of when I use it. This is a Shelly staple. So, not a lot of apple cider vinegar, maybe half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. And we need red onion, so I'm going to get my red onion in there. Not going to put too much in the beginning, as I said, because we want to make sure that we don't put too much onion and then it becomes bitter. Well, I have to put my sea salt. I do have salt in my potatoes, but I need my potato salad to have that taste. And so I need my rosemary sea salt. My go-to staple, black pepper. So you could put fresh parsley, you could put fresh cilantro. Right now, I don't have any fresh parsley, so I'm going to use my parsley paste. I always love to have this on hand so that I can get parsley into my dish, and that's pretty important. So I'm just going to mix this up. All right, so it's that simple. And I got a taste, because I have to find out if it's too tart, if it's not tart. It's perfect. Okay, so I have my mix, and here comes my potatoes. So I had just about the right amount of onion when I tasted it. It was pretty good. Again, you have to be careful that when you boil the potatoes, they are cooked, but they are not overcooked. Otherwise, they will just fall apart and look like mashed potatoes. And it's good to let them fully cool before you mix your potato salad. Well, guess what? My potato salad is finished. Okay. It looks delicious. Okay. That's our potato salad. Looks pretty good. Okay, it's time to taste. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for joining Shelly's Cuisine today as we made Shelly's potato salad. Please tune in next week to find out what we will do next. Also, please subscribe. Thank you.